Good day, my name is Terry Smith, and in this video I'll be demonstrating how to create a home folder. As you can see, I already have the Server Manager up and running in front of me. But before we do anything inside the Server Manager, we like to create our home folder. So simply navigate to the File Explorer and navigate to a path to which you'd like to store or create your folder. After creating a folder, assign user permissions. Go to the folder Properties, Sharing, Advanced Sharing, Share this folder, and Permissions. Here, you want to add your domain users or the users to which you want to share this folder with. Search for users. You need to fill out the whole name. You can simply just click check your names and select from the list of names or the groups from which you want to assign the sharing to. After finding your group or users, select them and assign full permissions. After the creation of your home folder and assigning permissions or sharing capabilities, you then need to go to your Server Manager. Here, you navigate to Active Directory Users and Computers. On the pop-up screen, you select the users to which you would like to share or give permissions to access the folder. Select Home Folder and connect them to the path. The path name will be // the name of the server or the computer for which your home folder has been created, // the name of the folder, and a variable to which will assign multiple users or clients to access the folder. I use a variable username. Then OK. Now, all of your clients or selected users will be able to access the home folder. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.